house a couple years ago. We got engaged in this house. We got married in this house. It's just a really special place to us.
Our house was built in the early 90s and hadn't really been updated.
We thought, we can do that. We painted. We started with the fireplace, and then I painted the rest of the walls and some cabinet, and we realized it's a lot harder than it looks.
We figured it was time to call in some help.
Hi, how are you? Do you see this as your forever home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We hope to start our family.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
You guys have painted, put some light fixtures in.
And I love the black.
So do we. You'll notice that we do too.
So this kitchen, I don't even know if I've ever seen a kitchen
Just like
Just
there.
in the middle.
There it is.
right
Yeah.
to the middle of the house.
Yeah. When you walk in here, you can see through it, but it actually
actually get
blocks everything. You can't actually get through.
If you're open to taking this whole half circle of a kitchen you guys have,
Yeah.
you know, shift it to this wall. I think just really, truly moving it and kind of laying it flat.
We'd love that. We'd really like to show you guys our living room over here if you follow us this
You gotta
way.
go around this
yeah, you
way.
go
Around this, around the wall.
This is just kind of a really small place,
It is.
and it's closed off again.
Are you stuck with the brick? Or are you open to other design ideas? I love the idea of texture.
We are good with other textures.
we're open to-
I feel like the vibe throughout the whole house is very industrial, modern, glam.
I'd love to show you guys the bedroom though here if we could. So
this is it.
this is literally it. Yeah.
It's super boring. Not a whole lot of personality. This is our sanctuary.
Yeah.
Do you want like that moody, dark vibe? Or do you want that more spa, light feeling?
That spa sort of feeling resonates.
You have an ensuite bath and a bunch of closets.
Yeah. This is really the area where we feel like you guys can do the most.
Okay. So I think with the overall design and vibe of the bathroom and even your bedroom is your own little hotel room. Like super fun, a little bit funky, some cool touches. We're gonna give you guys your modern, industrial, edgy, glam vibe throughout.
We couldn't be happier that it's you two.
Modern industrial glam is really coming from Matt and Sarah's love of black. Bring in those glam finishes with some gold accents, some shiny, glossy tiles. It's all about mixing unexpected textures. I'm thinking we'll choose something daring and dark for the countertops and island, add some modern lighting, and bring in some big concrete tiles for the floor. Lots of black, white, gray, and gold. In the living room, I want to stucco the fireplace to give it a clean, modern look. I'm thinking we'll lay new wood flooring at an angle, and on the wall, bring in some stylized texture for visual interest. We're gonna transform the bedroom into a space that feels like a boutique hotel. Mix soothing color tones with three-dimensional wall texture, add new flooring, and glam up the space with new lighting. We're rearranging the bathroom too. We're gonna be removing the unused closets and relocating the toilet so that we can bring in a huge double shower with big, bold, floor-to-ceiling tiles. We'll add a vanity with a double sink and top it all off with some super fashionable lighting.
I think when we're done, this is gonna be a showcase of our work.
Demoing a home is really when the design vision starts. Look good.
Whoa, that'll be cool.
It's gonna look amazing. I want to do some kind of opening, like an arch, where it's just open. So when you're in here, you can see the vanity.
No door.
No door.
Okay.
And so when you look in, you're seeing the vanity. With the vibe of this house being that modern industrial glam, I feel like these arches are really on that glam side of the spectrum. They really add a softness to the house, and I feel like that just allows us to go a little bit more bold in other areas. I am super excited for this gold sink in the kitchen.
Your gold sink showed up,
Okay.
and it's incredible. Honey, I need
Yeah.
to talk to you about something in here,
Okay. Oh my gosh, it looks so good though.
right?
Yes.
The window in the shower.
Yeah.
The glass needs to be changed. It needs to be tempered glass in order to take on moisture and humidity in the bathroom so
Yeah.
it doesn't form mold and such.
Right. So I'm actually not against losing the window altogether.
Fill it in.
I use your word.
We're laying this on the floor. It'll carry up the wall.
Do you want to follow the back wall pattern through to the floor?
Yeah, I do think putting this front and center
Yeah.
probably showcase it the best.
Yep.
For the bathroom, I want everything to be dramatic. And when I think of dramatic, I think oversized. So choosing this dark, moody, oversized tile is just really gonna set the tone and just be like, bam. So most people think of painting as a way to change a room, but adding a slat wall can add texture and color, and it just makes it more chic. Really clean, that texture. Wood sheeting's gonna go on the wall, and then that way it'll look like the floor kind of carries up. And then this is all getting painted a nice dark green color.
We'll get these nail holes filled in. We'll probably do a bunch of caulking.
So we're actually doing another slat wall in the living room. Also running those slats horizontal instead of vertical. This room is just gonna feel wider. And since this isn't a large space, I think any way we can create that feeling that it's big or bigger is gonna be really helpful. Brick definitely has its charm, but it doesn't have glam, it doesn't have wow, and that's really what this house is all about. So we're gonna overlay stucco over the brick, and that'll give it a more updated look. The pendant lights for the island are in. I thought it'd be fun with the lights to bring in some curvature, and of course, oversized. These are just really fun and different. That's gonna be cool, it's gonna be really cool. I can see the visual, I like it. Cool, cool, cool.
Over at Matt and Sarah's house, we have Marty. He's doing the bar backsplash under the arch, vertical laid. We also have Kale doing the eaves on the fireplace. It looks good.
Countertops are going in.
This kitchen island is a huge centerpiece for this house, and it's meant to show off Matt and Sarah's daring design style. I found this really cool quartz slab, and it has a black background and some amazing white veining throughout. It is bold.
It's sweet. It's all coming together.
Oh, these are cool.
So I wanted these in our house. Do you remember when I almost bought something like this?
Yeah,
You do not.
maybe.
You're liars! Little thought that it's like, okay, what if you go too bold?
Yeah, what if they're like, I didn't mean that bold?
We know this house is so important to you.
You were engaged here, married here. We took that personal, and we put as much heart and soul into it as we felt like you guys would.
We are ready to turn your house back over to you guys. Let's do it. After you guys.
Let's look at your house.
You sure?
Oh, guys, I am going to cry.
Oh my God. What?
Oh my God! This is so cool.
Wait a second.
Oh my gosh, this is nuts. This is so nuts.
I don't even know what to say. I've never been speechless in my entire life.
I can't believe you guys. Like, I knew you guys were good, but like,
Honestly, yeah. You couldn't have matched our style better.
you guys had such a good base, and you guys had already started doing projects. It just really was about taking where you guys were going and just sending it. Full send.
This is a full send.
Full send.
So we pretty much took your little half circle kitchen.
Yeah.
And we closed off the door that was over there and just placed everything along that wall. We felt like that is the best way we can give you as much storage and space out of this room.
The bar is unreal.
Sarah, this is like,
Unbelievable.
we need to get people over it immediately.
I thought it'd be so fun to add an arch there. Really go black on black with the cabinets, the countertop, and the backsplash. You had mentioned that you guys work a lot.
Yeah.
You like to come home and connect over dinner, drink sometimes, and so that's really what inspired the
It's
bar
so
idea.
perfect.
This is like a dream kitchen, dining room area.
This giant island.
So cool.
I always say that every room needs like a moment. And for your kitchen, it was really about that island.
And the light fixtures are so cool.
That gold sink is so cool.
So cool.
Sometimes people can forget about things as simple as a sink, and I thought this would be the perfect moment to have really something unexpected and such a good contrast to the black countertops, just to go bold.
This is a quartz countertop here on the island. It's durable. I love how the veins are pronounced and they really stand out.
Yeah, this is definitely a statement.
This is such our style.
To really bring in that industrial feel, we went with a 24 by 24 inch tile.
And it's such a good color. It's so fresh.
We really wanted to go with a modern industrial glam feel in here, but we wanted it to still feel homey and not cold by any means. Cabinets,
Yeah.
I wanted to bring in the warmth with a wood tone. I thought it'd be super fun to have something really grainy and then do the flat fronts and some really sleek pulls. Really bringing in different colors and textures was the key here.
Why don't you guys check out the living room?
Wow, this is amazing.
Wow, you
Babe, I just can't believe
Yeah.
this is the same house. The fireplace is awesome.
fireplace is so cool.
Keeping the shape of the arch was the key here, and then painting the inside black just to tie in with the walls. Cole worked on the slat wall.
We wanted to do a slat wall, but not something that you see in every house. These shelves are actually movable, so you can position these wherever you want.
Wow. Such a good idea. I always want a place to put books. Like I don't know, even if I don't read that much, like it's
There you go, right?
Are you guys ready to see your bedroom?
Let's do it.
All right,
do
let's
it.
head in there.
Oh my gosh! You can't even come in. This is ours.
How did you guys do this?
We wanted this space to feel a little bit different than the rest of the home, but tie in nicely. I wanted to bring a little bit of color in here, so that's why we went with the dark green. You wanted those boutique hotel vibes in here. You wanted to feel like a separate sanctuary for you guys to be able to chill, relax, unwind. The funky lights, I was excited about those.
Awesome.
I was gonna say, you know what it reminds me of?
What?
At the dentist,
Oh.
your big light that goes over your mouth.
That's why it feels so homey. Yeah. Now I get it. Whoa.
Come in here.
I'm an arch guy now. I never knew I was gonna be an arch guy. I love arches.
Oh my.
It's huge. Look at the shower.
Amazing.
Get on in there. Get in that shower right now.
Yes, right?
Yeah, moment of truth.
Ready for it?
Yeah.
Yes!
I don't think I've ever had that before. It's a dream shower.
We wanted you to be comfortable to be in this space and not have to take a shower like that. And so we really wanted to go all out, give you something oversized. We kind of played with the layout of everything. We moved your toilet over here into its own little water closet. This is for privacy. We felt like that would be the best way to give you the biggest shower possible.
We took that oversized feel into the tile as
Yeah.
well. Big man, big tile.
That's right.
I don't know if you guys remember, but there was a window there
Yeah.
that
do
we
remember that. Oh, yeah.
closed off.
Do you feel like you missed the window at all?
Not only do we not miss it, I think that we're happy it's gone.
Okay, good.
It's better without it.
And I just adore this tile.
Yes.
2 sinks is a game changer.
Yeah, plenty of space for you guys both now.
Totally feels like a nice hotel.
It's so cool. I love how it's open to the bedroom. Makes everything just feel bigger.
Yeah.
This project has been so fun, and I feel like we were able to get so creative, and it did feel good that you guys trusted us so much to just go for
We
it.
wanted to deliver a cool, fun space.
Nailed it. You guys did amazing. We knew from the beginning, like, that we were so excited it was you two. And that's why we gave you full reign, free reign. And just like the type of people you are, we knew you would take care of what's important to us.
We're blown away.
Blown away.
And we're very excited to be able to give this house back to you guys, and hopefully many, many more memories to be made
So
here.
much.
Yeah, thank you. I
Unbelievable.
can't believe this is our house.